Okay, let's see if we can get Claude Code to find and install the desktop fork version of Claude Desktop. So you are on Linux Mint, find and install the version of Claude Desktop for Linux. It's unofficial package. Okay, let's go. Okay, so it's doing a web search. 10 results. I guess it's checking each result now, probably. Yes. Don't know if that'll work because we're on Linux Mint. Keep going. It needs me to do sudo. Okay, it'll probably get stuck for me to do it because it needs to do, I've got to do some updates. So sudo update. Oh, hang on. I've got to actually do it with the terminal, not inside of Claude. Okay. Let's sorry. Hang on a second. Okay, so sudo update. Okay, that's happening. And then we need a couple of packages. Then it wants us to build the Debian package, which is, where did it put it? Is it in the Claude directory? Yeah. Okay, and then build.sh. Installing on Linux, Claude Desktop. Come on, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. And is that it? No, it's building it. Okay. Just be patient. I don't know how long this takes. Hopefully not too long. There probably is a faster way. While that's going, let's have a look and see how you're supposed to do this. Archived. Right. So, okay, that's cool. All right. Is that one gonna be it? Okay. I don't know what's going with the other one. Fedora, Claude Desktop, Debian. Okay. Oh no, there we go. It's finished. Cool. Okay, great. All right, so what was next on the instructions? This command to like run it. Okay. And then fix broken things. Okay. Now what? Is it a... Oh, okay, C. And I look like I have a Claude on my desktop. Okay. That is cool. Yeah, all right. Let's see if I can get into it. Okay, that seems fine. See if I can find my Anthropic code. I think, yeah, okay. Alright, I don't know if that's going to work on Linux, but whatever. Okay, cool. Righto. Is it gonna work? Looks good. Cool. Yeah, awesome. Okay, that works. Fantastic.